What are today's Water Expo?
Good morning. My name is Ali Asgar and he is Mr. Parveen from VA Valves. I am the partner for Abbas Company. So we are authorized use channel partner for federal brand Flowmeters. They are manufacturers of electromagnetic flow meters and vortex steam meters, and they have electromagnetic flow meters in SS also. And we have mechanical flow meters also in hot water as well as cold water with pulse output option also. We have even in student options also with pulse output and cold water and hot water meter. And apart from that we have valves also in brand of VTM. We are having butterfly valves with SS disc with pneumatic as well as electric actuator operated. Then we have brass balancing valve, ball valve in SS, cast iron, forged steel. Then we have cast iron white up strainers, balancing valve and cast iron, ball valve and CI gate valve, and much other varieties also is there. We are in this field for last 35 years and we have been exporting to many Asian countries as well as African countries also. And with them, we have been approved with all the major gel boards in India and even with major industries across India. And we have been regularly participating in the Water Expo, and this year the football was okay. Thank you.